Bakhmut became a trap for Russians. Russia no longer has a resource for an offensive. Bakhmut has become a trap for the occupier. Until this, the enemy had the resources for large-scale offensive operations that were carried out a few months ago. This was stated by the head of the Ukrainian Center for Military Legal Research, Alexander Musienko. Bakhmut's idea is that it has become a trap for the occupier now, and now the Ukrainian troops are gradually, systematically developing offensive operations on the flanks as they succeed with an advance of somewhere around 200 to 300 to 400 meters a day, sometimes 700. It was quite a lot. You need to understand how to fight with such intensity, he said. According to Musienko, the Ukrainian military is taking the opportunity to build on this success around Bakhmut, which could potentially lead to semi-circulation or even encirclement in the future. Plus, in Bakhmut, the advance of the enemy has been stopped. They cannot go further than Bakhmut. They do not have such an opportunity. The situation has been stabilized. The defense line has been built in the area of the temporary Yar. The dominant heights are controlled by Ukrainian troops, so globally, we can state the situation at the front today is as follows: that the advance and attacks of the enemy are stopped in all directions, the expert said.